Hello and welcome to Psych Inside. Did you know that studies show it takes only a fifth of a second to feel attracted to someone? That's right, folks. Our brains are hardwired to make snap judgments about potential partners. But what fuels this instant attraction? Is it really love at first sight, or is there something more at play? This essay dives deep into the fascinating world of attraction, exploring the complex interplay of biology, psychology, and even technology in shaping our romantic choices. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of love and discover the science behind those butterflies in your stomach. We'll debunk common myths, uncover surprising research findings, and give you a glimpse into how your brain becomes Cupid's accomplice. Attraction, that elusive force that draws us to certain people, is more than just a matter of the heart. It's a phenomenon that has intrigued scientists, poets, and philosophers for centuries. What is it that makes us feel that magnetic pull towards someone? Is it their smile, their eyes, or something deeper, something more primal? It's a complex cocktail of biological processes, psychological predispositions, and social influences. Our brains are wired to seek out certain traits, often without us even realizing it. These traits can be influenced by a myriad of factors, from our genetic makeup to the environment we grew up in. Think of it as a puzzle, with each piece representing a different factor that contributes to the bigger picture of why we fall for who we fall for. Each piece is unique and essential, fitting together to form a complete image of attraction. Some pieces are shaped by our biology, while others are molded by our experiences and the society we live in. From the moment we lay eyes on someone, our brains are working overtime, processing visual cues, interpreting body language, and even detecting subtle pheromones. These initial impressions can be incredibly powerful, setting the stage for deeper connections. Our eyes might lock with someone across the room, and in that instant, a cascade of neural activity begins. This information is then relayed to different parts of the brain, triggering a cascade of hormonal responses that can leave us feeling exhilarated, nervous, and utterly captivated. Hormones like dopamine and oxytocin flood our system, creating feelings of pleasure and attachment. It's a chemical dance that can make our hearts race and our palms sweat. Dopamine, often dubbed the feel-good hormone, takes center stage, surging when we're around someone we fancy. This neurotransmitter is crucial in the reward system of our brain, making us feel pleasure and satisfied. It's responsible for those giddy feelings of euphoria, excitement, and motivation to pursue a potential partner. When dopamine levels rise, we feel a rush of joy and anticipation, driving us to seek out more interactions with the person who caught our eye. This hormone keeps us coming back for more, fueling the early stages of romantic attraction. Next up is norepinephrine, a close cousin of adrenaline, which ramps up our heart rate, makes us sweat a little, and puts us in a heightened state of alertness. This hormone prepares our body for action, making us more aware and responsive to our surroundings. This is why we might feel butterflies in our stomach or notice our palms getting clammy around our crush. Norepinephrine heightens our senses, making every touch, glance, and word feel more intense and significant. And let's not forget about serotonin, the mood-regulating hormone that contributes to feelings of happiness, contentment, and emotional stability. Serotonin helps us feel calm and secure, balancing out the intense emotions brought on by dopamine and norepinephrine. When serotonin levels are balanced, we feel more centered and secure in our attachments. This hormone plays a crucial role in maintaining a stable mood and fostering a sense of well-being, which is essential for building long-lasting relationships. So, the next time you feel your heart race or get butterflies in your stomach, remember the incredible chemistry happening inside your brain. These hormones are working together to create the magic of attraction, guiding us on our journey to find love and connection. But attraction goes beyond initial impressions. It's not just about that first spark. It's about the fire that can grow from it. As we get to know someone, other factors come into play, deepening our connection and solidifying our bond. Our upbringing, past experiences, and even our cultural background all play a role in shaping our preferences and influencing who we find attractive. The values and norms we were exposed to as children can leave a lasting imprint on our romantic inclinations. For instance, someone who grew up in a close-knit family might be drawn to partners who value family connections. It's a fascinating interplay of nature and nurture, where our biology lays the groundwork and our experiences add the finishing touches. Our genetic predispositions might make us more inclined to certain traits, but our life experiences and cultural context shape how those inclinations manifest. This dynamic interaction creates a unique blueprint for attraction, one that is as individual as a fingerprint. Additionally, shared interests and values can strengthen the bond between two people. Engaging in activities together, whether it's a shared hobby or a mutual passion, can create a sense of unity and understanding. These shared experiences build a foundation of trust and companionship, essential elements for a lasting relationship. Ultimately, the science of love is a testament to the complexity and beauty of human connections. It's a reminder that while we may be guided by biological impulses, our hearts and minds are equally shaped by the world around us. Love, in all its forms, is a rich tapestry woven from countless threads, each contributing to the intricate design of our relationships. We've all heard the cliches: opposites attract, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, you'll find love when you least expect it. While these sayings might sound romantic, the science of attraction tells a slightly different story. Attraction is a complex interplay of biology, psychology, and social factors. It's not just about chance encounters or superficial traits. There's a lot more going on beneath the surface. Let's start with the idea that opposites attract. This notion has been popularized by movies and literature, but how true is it in real life? While differences can be exciting and can add a spark to a relationship, research suggests that we're actually more drawn to people who share similar values, interests, and backgrounds. This is known as the similarity attraction effect. This similarity attraction effect stems from our innate desire for familiarity and comfort. When we meet someone who shares our interests and values, it creates a sense of ease and understanding. We feel more at home with them, and this can be a strong foundation for a lasting relationship. We tend to gravitate towards those who validate our own beliefs and perspectives. This validation reinforces our own identity and makes us feel more secure in our choices. And what about the notion that beauty is subjective? While it's true that beauty standards vary across cultures and time periods, there's also a surprising amount of agreement on what is considered attractive. Certain physical traits, such as facial symmetry and a healthy waist-to-hip ratio, are universally considered attractive. These features are often associated with good genes and reproductive fitness, hinting at an evolutionary basis for our preferences. Facial symmetry, for example, is often seen as a sign of genetic health and stability. A healthy waist-to-hip ratio is linked to fertility and overall health. These traits signal to potential partners that the person is a good candidate for reproduction, which is why they are often found attractive across different cultures. As for finding love when you're not looking, well, that might be more about serendipity than science. While it's true that love can blossom in unexpected places, it's also important to be proactive. Actively putting yourself out there and engaging in social situations is still the most effective way to increase your chances of meeting someone special. Whether it's through friends, social events, or even online dating, being open to new experiences and meeting new people can significantly boost your chances of finding love. In today's digital age, online dating has become a popular way to meet potential partners. While it might seem less romantic than a chance encounter, it allows you to connect with people you might never have met otherwise. The key is to be genuine and open-minded. So, while the idea of finding love when you least expect it is appealing, remember that taking an active role in your love life can lead to more opportunities and ultimately, a greater chance of finding that special someone. Attraction is a multifaceted phenomenon, influenced by a variety of factors. By understanding these factors, we can navigate the complex world of relationships with greater insight and confidence. In conclusion, while common myths about attraction can be charming and romantic, it's important to look at the science behind what truly draws us to one another. By debunking these myths, we can better understand the dynamics of attraction and build stronger, more meaningful connections. So next time you hear someone say, opposites attract, or you'll find love when you least expect it, remember that there's more to the story. Attraction is a complex and fascinating subject, and by exploring it further, we can enrich our own relationships and experiences. Embrace the science of love and let it deepen your appreciation for the beautiful complexity of human relationships. After all, love is not just a feeling, it's a fascinating blend of biology, chemistry, and emotion. Thank you for joining us in debunking these common myths about attraction. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos.